In 2024 and 2025, a surprising trend is sweeping across Canada. People are packing up and leaving some of the country's most well-known cities. What's driving this mass exodus? Is it the soaring cost of living, the search for better job opportunities, or perhaps the lure of a quieter life elsewhere? Each city has its own story, filled with unexpected twists and turns. As we reveal the top 10 cities everyone is leaving, you'll find out what's pushing residents to make such life-changing decisions. Stay tuned to uncover the reasons behind this fascinating shift. Toronto, Canada's largest city, has been experiencing a notable outflow of residents in recent years. This trend is primarily driven by several interrelated factors that have made living in Toronto increasingly challenging for many. One of the most significant reasons people are leaving Toronto is the high cost of living. Housing prices have skyrocketed, making it difficult for both renters and potential homeowners to afford living in the city. The average cost of a home in Toronto is among the highest in Canada, and rental prices have also surged, putting a strain on residents' finances. While Toronto is a major economic hub with diverse job opportunities, the competition for well-paying jobs is intense. Many individuals find that their salaries do not keep pace with the rising cost of living, prompting them to seek employment in cities where their income can stretch further. The bustling city life, while attractive to some, can be overwhelming for others. Issues such as traffic congestion, long commute times, and crowded public spaces contribute to a lower quality of life. These factors can lead to stress and burnout, pushing residents to consider relocating to quieter, less congested areas. The rise of remote work, accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic, has given many people the flexibility to live outside major urban centers. This shift has enabled individuals to move to smaller towns or rural areas where they can enjoy a more relaxed lifestyle and lower living costs while maintaining their employment. Many Torontonians are seeking more space and a closer connection to nature, which is often more accessible in smaller communities. The appeal of larger homes, backyards, and proximity to natural landscapes is a strong motivator for those leaving the city. Montreal, the largest city in Quebec, has also been experiencing a notable outflow of residents, driven by a combination of economic, social, and lifestyle factors. While Montreal is known for its vibrant culture and diverse economy, it faces economic challenges that impact residents' decisions to stay. The job market, although diverse, often offers lower salaries compared to other major Canadian cities like Toronto and Vancouver. This disparity can make it difficult for residents to achieve financial stability, especially when coupled with the rising cost of living. Although housing in Montreal is generally more affordable than in Toronto or Vancouver, prices have been steadily increasing. This trend is making it harder for first-time buyers to enter the market and for renters to find affordable accommodations. The pressure on the housing market is a significant factor driving people to seek more affordable living conditions elsewhere. Montreal's unique linguistic landscape, with French as the dominant language, can pose challenges for non-French speakers. While many residents are bilingual, newcomers who do not speak French may find it difficult to integrate into the job market and social circles, prompting some to relocate to more Anglophone-friendly regions. While Montreal offers a rich cultural scene and vibrant urban life, some residents are drawn to the prospect of a quieter, more relaxed lifestyle. The city's harsh winters and infrastructure issues, such as road maintenance and public transportation challenges, can also detract from the overall quality of life. The shift towards remote work has enabled many Montrealers to consider living outside the city. This flexibility allows them to move to areas with lower living costs and more space, without sacrificing their careers. Vancouver, a city renowned for its stunning natural beauty and mild climate, is experiencing a significant outflow of residents due to several pressing issues. Vancouver is infamous for its exorbitant housing prices, which are among the highest in North America. The cost of buying a home is out of reach for many, and rental prices are similarly steep. This housing affordability crisis is a primary driver for residents seeking more affordable living conditions elsewhere. Beyond housing, the overall cost of living in Vancouver is high. Everyday expenses such as groceries, transportation, and utilities are more expensive compared to other Canadian cities. This financial strain makes it challenging for many residents to maintain a comfortable lifestyle, prompting them to consider relocating to more affordable areas. While Vancouver has a diverse economy with strengths in technology, film, and tourism, the job market can be competitive. Salaries often do not keep pace with the high cost of living, leading to financial stress for many workers. This imbalance between income and expenses is a significant factor in the decision to leave the city. Despite its natural beauty and outdoor recreational opportunities, Vancouver faces challenges that impact quality of life. Traffic congestion, long commute times, and limited public transportation options can be frustrating for residents. Additionally, the city's rainy climate, while mild, can be a deterrent for those seeking sunnier environments. The rise of remote work has empowered many Vancouverites to move to areas where their income can stretch further. This shift allows them to enjoy a higher quality of life without the financial burdens associated with living in a major urban center. Calgary, a major city in Alberta, has been experiencing an outflow of residents due to a combination of economic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Calgary's economy is heavily tied to the oil and gas industry, which has faced significant volatility in recent years. Fluctuating oil prices have led to job losses and economic uncertainty, prompting many residents to seek more stable employment opportunities in other regions. This economic instability is a key factor driving people to leave the city. While Calgary's housing market is more affordable than those in cities like Toronto and Vancouver, it has experienced fluctuations due to economic conditions. The uncertainty in the job market can make it difficult for residents to commit to long-term investments like homeownership, leading some to relocate to areas with more stable economic prospects. Calgary's climate, characterized by cold winters and occasional extreme weather events, can be a deterrent for some residents. Additionally, concerns about environmental sustainability and the impact of the fossil fuel industry on climate change may influence individuals to move to regions with a stronger focus on renewable energy and environmental initiatives. While Calgary offers a high quality of life with access to outdoor activities and a relatively low cost of living, some residents are drawn to the cultural and lifestyle amenities of larger urban centers. The desire for more diverse cultural experiences and amenities can lead individuals to consider relocating to cities with a broader range of options. The shift towards remote work has enabled many Calgarians to consider living outside the city. This flexibility allows them to move to areas with different lifestyle offerings or closer proximity to family and friends without sacrificing their careers. Edmonton, the capital city of Alberta, is experiencing a notable outflow of residents due to a variety of economic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Similar to Calgary, Edmonton's economy is closely linked to the oil and gas industry. The volatility in this sector has led to economic uncertainty and job losses, prompting many residents to seek more stable employment opportunities elsewhere. The economic downturns have affected not only those directly employed in the energy sector, but also related industries, contributing to a broader economic impact. While Edmonton's housing market is generally more affordable than those in larger Canadian cities, economic instability can make it challenging for residents to commit to home ownership. The uncertainty in job security and income levels can deter long-term investments, leading some to relocate to areas with more robust economic prospects. Edmonton's climate, characterized by long, harsh winters, can be a significant factor in residents' decisions to leave. The cold weather and limited daylight during winter months can impact quality of life, prompting some individuals to seek milder climates. While Edmonton offers a high quality of life with access to cultural events, festivals, and outdoor activities, some residents are drawn to the amenities and lifestyle options available in larger urban centers. The desire for more diverse cultural experiences, dining, and entertainment options can lead individuals to consider relocating to cities with a broader range of offerings. The rise of remote work has provided many Edmontonians with the flexibility to live outside the city. This shift allows them to move to areas that better align with their lifestyle preferences or offer closer proximity to family and friends without sacrificing their careers. Ottawa, Canada's capital city, is experiencing a trend of residents leaving, driven by a mix of economic, social, and lifestyle factors. Although Ottawa is generally more affordable than cities like Toronto and Vancouver, the cost of living has been rising steadily. Housing prices have increased significantly, making it challenging for first-time buyers and renters to find affordable options. This financial pressure is a key factor prompting residents to consider relocating to more affordable areas. Ottawa's economy is heavily influenced by the federal government, which provides stable employment opportunities. However, the dominance of government jobs can limit opportunities in other sectors, such as technology and private enterprise. This lack of diversity in the job market can drive individuals seeking varied career paths to other cities with more dynamic economic landscapes. As the capital city, Ottawa has a significant demand for bilingual, English and French employees, especially in government roles. This requirement can be a barrier for non-French speakers, limiting their job prospects and prompting some to move to regions where bilingualism is less critical. While Ottawa offers a high quality of life with its green spaces, cultural institutions, and family-friendly environment, some residents are drawn to the vibrancy and cultural diversity of larger urban centers. The desire for more diverse entertainment, dining, and cultural experiences can lead individuals to consider relocating. The shift towards remote work has enabled many Ottawans to consider living outside the city. This flexibility allows them to move to areas with lower living costs or closer proximity to family and friends without sacrificing their careers. Winnipeg, the capital of Manitoba, is experiencing a trend of residents leaving due to a combination of economic, climatic, and lifestyle factors. While Winnipeg has a diverse economy with strengths in manufacturing, agriculture, and transportation, it often lacks the high-paying job opportunities found in larger Canadian cities. This can lead to a talent drain, as skilled professionals seek better career prospects and higher salaries elsewhere. The city's economic growth has been steady but not as robust as in other urban centers, prompting some residents to look for more dynamic job markets. Although Winnipeg is known for its relatively affordable housing compared to cities like Toronto and Vancouver, the economic opportunities elsewhere can outweigh the benefits of lower living costs. For some, the potential for higher earnings in other cities justifies the move, even if it means facing higher housing costs. Winnipeg's climate is characterized by long, harsh winters with extreme cold and significant snowfall. These conditions can be a deterrent for residents who prefer milder climates. The severe weather can impact quality of life, leading some individuals to seek regions with more temperate weather. While Winnipeg offers a rich cultural scene with festivals, museums, and a strong arts community, some residents are drawn to the amenities and lifestyle options available in larger urban centers. The desire for more diverse cultural experiences, dining, and entertainment options can lead individuals to consider relocating to cities with a broader range of offerings. The rise of remote work has provided many Winnipeggers with the flexibility to live outside the city. This shift allows them to move to areas that better align with their lifestyle preferences, or offer closer proximity to family and friends, without sacrificing their careers. Hamilton, a city in Ontario known for its industrial roots and proximity to Toronto, is experiencing a trend of residents leaving due to several interrelated factors. Historically an industrial hub, Hamilton has been undergoing an economic transition as traditional manufacturing jobs decline. While the city is diversifying into sectors like healthcare, education, and technology, the pace of change can be slow. Some residents may leave in search of more immediate and diverse job opportunities in other cities, particularly those with booming tech or finance sectors. Hamilton has seen a significant increase in housing prices over the past decade, partly due to its proximity to Toronto. As Toronto's housing market became increasingly unaffordable, many people moved to Hamilton, driving up local prices. This has made it challenging for long-time residents to afford housing, prompting some to relocate to more affordable areas. Many Hamilton residents commute to Toronto for work, which can be time-consuming and stressful. The daily commute can detract from quality of life, leading some individuals to consider moving closer to their workplaces or to cities with better local job prospects and shorter commutes. While Hamilton offers a vibrant arts scene, natural beauty with its escarpment and waterfalls, and a growing culinary culture, some residents are drawn to the broader amenities and cultural diversity of larger urban centers. The desire for more diverse entertainment, dining, and cultural experiences can lead individuals to consider relocating. The rise of remote work has enabled many Hamiltonians to consider living outside the city. This flexibility allows them to move to areas with lower living costs or closer proximity to family and friends without sacrificing their careers. Quebec City, the capital of Quebec, is experiencing a trend of residents leaving, influenced by a mix of economic, linguistic, and lifestyle factors. Quebec City has a relatively stable economy, with strengths in public administration, technology, and tourism. However, the job market can be limited compared to larger cities like Montreal or Toronto. The availability of high-paying jobs and career advancement opportunities may not be as robust, prompting some residents to seek better prospects in more economically dynamic regions. As a predominantly French-speaking city, Quebec City can present challenges for non-French speakers. While many residents are bilingual, proficiency in French is often a requirement for employment and social integration. This linguistic barrier can limit job opportunities and social interactions for non-French speakers, leading some to relocate to more Anglophone-friendly areas. Although Quebec City generally offers more affordable housing compared to other major Canadian cities, economic opportunities elsewhere can outweigh the benefits of lower living costs. For some, the potential for higher earnings in other cities justifies the move, even if it means facing higher housing costs. Quebec City experiences long, cold winters with significant snowfall, which can be a deterrent for some residents. The harsh climate can impact quality of life, leading individuals to seek regions with milder weather. While Quebec City is renowned for its rich history, cultural heritage, and beautiful architecture, some residents are drawn to the amenities and lifestyle options available in larger urban centers. The desire for more diverse cultural experiences, dining, and entertainment options can lead individuals to consider relocating to cities with a broader range of offerings. The rise of remote work has provided many Quebec City residents with the flexibility to live outside the city. This shift allows them to move to areas that better align with their lifestyle preferences or offer closer proximity to family and friends without sacrificing their careers. Halifax, the capital of Nova Scotia, is experiencing a trend of residents leaving due to a combination of economic, geographic, and lifestyle factors. Halifax serves as the economic center of Atlantic Canada, with key industries including government services, education, and the military. However, the job market can be limited compared to larger Canadian cities. Opportunities for high-paying jobs and career advancement may not be as plentiful, prompting some residents to seek better prospects in more economically dynamic regions like Toronto or Vancouver. While Halifax has traditionally been more affordable than many other Canadian cities, recent years have seen a surge in housing prices. This increase is partly due to an influx of people moving from more expensive regions, driving up demand. The rising cost of housing can strain residents' finances, leading some to relocate to areas with more affordable living conditions. Halifax's geographic location on the East Coast can contribute to a sense of isolation. The distance from major economic hubs in central and western Canada can limit business opportunities and access to broader markets. This geographic factor can influence residents to move closer to larger urban centers with more connectivity and opportunities. Halifax experiences a maritime climate with cold, wet winters and mild summers. While some appreciate the milder temperatures compared to inland Canadian cities, others may find the frequent precipitation and winter storms challenging, prompting them to seek regions with more favorable weather. While Halifax offers a vibrant cultural scene, beautiful coastal landscapes, and a strong sense of community, some residents are drawn to the amenities and lifestyle options available in larger urban centers. The desire for more diverse cultural experiences, dining, and entertainment options can lead individuals to consider relocating. The rise of remote work has provided many Haligonians with the flexibility to live outside the city. This shift allows them to move to areas that better align with their lifestyle preferences or offer closer proximity to family and friends without sacrificing their careers.